Welcome back to Initial D Arcade, Touge Battles. In this series, we attack story mode and bring you all the action with a wheel, pedal, and shifter cam in first person and cinematic view, and we're starting right now. So Kenji's like, so, this is Matsuri. It's my first time here, but it looks like a harder winding road than I thought. Since you became a street racer, don't just watch. Let's race together. I'll impress you, and as a senpai, I will do my best to do a good run here. So it's 180SX versus 180SX, which is pretty cool. And it looks like he's gonna let me have the lead at the start. Guess he thinks he's going easy on me here. That's probably going to be the end of it, though. Even in a fairly stock car, if you let me in front, I usually do pretty well. I'll leave it in gear here so that we have a little bit more torque. In the arcade game, if you shift up, especially with a car in stock trim, it tends to have a little bit of a struggle with understeer. And now it looks like he's trying to attack pretty quickly. Drift some of these turns. Says it's going to be hard keeping up with that. Oops, that's when we hit the wall. Says it'll be hard keeping up with that. Just watching is a little scary. He thinks that we are evenly matched right now. Probably because I'm not shifting. I don't have my shift points memorized for the track. He says, hey, you're pretty good. Looks like we're on our last lap now. Going down to fourth around the turns because we're just going to grip some of these turns. Says, it's no good, I can't keep up. It's fairly true. Back up to fourth we go. Says I've got to aim for a comeback at the very end. But of course he's not able to. Says there must be something fundamentally different between the two of us. And that's the race. Says, man, I couldn't even compete. I had no idea it was going to turn out like that. Now it's time to tune the car a little bit more. We've got our racing brake pads, our ground wire kit, or the power tune, we can add a air filter. So we're going to go right in order for the moment. I just like the way things are working out with those brake pads, hopefully making the car a little bit more stable on corner entry.
込んでいかないとダメだな。ついてくぐらいはちょっと出遅れちまってか。早い、あいつどんどん加速してってる。あれについていくの厳しいよな。見てるこっちがビビっちまう。今んとこ互角って感じだな。お、なかなかいい腕じゃんか。死ね。なんとか抜いてやりてえけど。ダメだ、追い切れない。くそ。最後の最後で逆転にかけるしかねえ。追いつけない。ぶっちぎりじゃねえか。すげえ、あいつ根本的になんか違う。